Hello everyone. As a professional bongo player, I've come up with some serious pieces of work I'd like to play for you right now, and you'll see more in upcoming videos as well. Um, Getting a little progressive with my playing. I'm not just jamming out, not just doing the whole jamming out to whatever thing anymore. I'm gonna do something progressive. I'm gonna do something very meaningful. You're gonna hear this and be like, "Wow, this guy is as good as Genesis or ELP or Yes or King Crimson or Donnie Marie." So I'm going to play a little song for you right now. It's called Rainfall in the Forest. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please hold your applause. I know you're very impressed by that song. And, oh man. Oh my god. Oh man, I'm just so moved to tears by this. I've never been moved to tears by any piece of work that I've done in the past, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it made you think of what life has to offer. I hope it made you think to yourself, wow, life truly is short. You gotta enjoy serious music like this in the time you have on Earth. I'm Sam Eisner. Toodly-doo!